So in a big traffic area, large cities, they're putting in roundabouts. Four-way stop would be better. Huh?
Roundabouts are faster. Where we stopped, you got people backed up.
Some people don't know what to do though.
It goes a 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and it kicks your
6 cars
It's
in
getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more. Oh my good lord. Drink some. Someone put me up a double shot of whiskey. Ain't no need to take days, got a history. There's a party downtown near Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Someone put me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need to take days, got a history. At the bottom of the bottle from Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
What do you think the pulse is? No. Nothing to do with a heartbeat. It's whatever you want it to be. With a few exceptions. Become a PickClick member at SiriusXM.com/thepulse and pick our soundtrack.